here somewhere. It is. I smell
You looking
it.
for your present? Yeah.
Are you taking? I'm going to go across. Watch out. I'm coming across. Oh, I got it in the bag. I know it's here somewhere.
What do you smell? What do you think? Ooh, yeah.
What is it,
Wow.
darling? Is it here? Huh?
Do you know where he heard it? You heard it from your son.
She won.
What is it,
I smell
Mama?
it, but I can't figure it out.
Where is it, baby? Where's your present?
Dutch, where is it, babes?
Where's your present, girl? Is that it? Did you find it?
Hey, Dirt. I don't know if it's hers.
Did you
or
find it,
Dutch's.
baby?
Hey, Dirt. Is that yours? Go ahead. Is it yours?
Mom, can you turn that light on up there? That's a little better. What you got? Is it a baby? Is it a baby?
It's a baby.
Is it hers or is it Titter's? It's a brown, like a bear.
It's
something?
hers.
Okay. Well, she got hers at least.
Mm-hmm.
What is it, baby? Oh.
She picked it out herself, Daddy.
Did
We
she?
did not, yeah. All right, Jack, grab that paper. I don't want her eating it.
Got it, Daddy. There you go. Woo! There we go. She got it. What is it, Titters? What's this you got? Where's yours, Trixie?
Did you
Where's
find
yours?
the present,
Look
Daddy?
at she won.
Yeah, Daddy found a present.
What you got, Daddy?
What you got, what? What you got? Does it got a squeaker?
Yeah, somewhere it crunches. I don't. It might.
Oh, it's got a
be
little crunchy. Yeah.
I didn't get. I
Yeah.
didn't want anything that had a lot of stuff in it. All right, Sissy, I'm getting you one.